Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my first ever twist out on stretched hair ever since returning natural. Now, years ago, before I did the big chop and returned natural, I always pressed my hair religiously every single week, and occasionally I did twist outs from pressed hair and I enjoyed it. I loved it. I had so much volume, but I don't use heat to style my hair whatsoever. I always wet style, and wet style has been the way to go for years. I just love the way my hair looks. My hair air dries, it's able to retain moisture, and my styles last a lot longer. But today I decided to switch my method of styling my hair up by using this Q-Redew, and it uses steam to help soften the hair, and I really like that because it's adding moisture to my hair, and we all know that moisture is really good for us naturals. So I decided to use the Q-Redew as my method to stretch my hair out. Currently, I have a leave-in conditioner from As I Am and also an oil from Badger, which I will link below in the description box so you can check it out if you'd like. I did use it in my previous wash day routine, so make sure that you check it out. If you didn't, I give you 15 different tips just to help intensify your wash day and take it up a notch to the next level. And I did let my hair air dry for a day. After using the Q-Redew to stretch my hair, here's how one quadrant looks, and I'm just going to clip it up and continue the same process on the other 3 sections of hair. I do like using the Q-Redew just to help with overall healthy hair. I did use it in my previous video to help intensify my deep conditioning treatment, and my hair, it felt so soft and supple, and now I'm using it just to help stretch my hair. So the Q-Redew definitely is an asset. I decided to steam my hair out one more time before I section it and do my twists. I put my hair back in quadrants, and I'm using this paddle brush from Kaleidoscope just to make sure that my hair is nice and detangled and it stays stretched. Now that this section is nice and detangled and stretched, I'm going to part a small subsection of hair, and then I'm going to use the paddle brush again just to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth before I twist. And for my styler, I'm using this one from Miche. It is their hydrating twisting butter, and I do enjoy it. I used a little bit over a quarter size amount, and again, I'm going to make sure that I'm smoothing the styler in with the paddle brush before I do twist my hair. I have so many twist out tutorials on my channel already, so I will link down below in the description box some of my favorites. This video is just more of experiencing a different method of styling my hair, so I'll just let you watch and enjoy. And obviously my hair feels a lot different from what I'm used to. It's not wet or damp, but I really like the way that my hair feels. It's still smooth, it's soft, and it's moisturized and hydrated, of course, from using the leave-in conditioner, the oil that was previously in my hair, and now adding the twisting butter. I really like the way that my hair feels. It feels really nice and soft. Also, I noticed that my hair is more elongated and I don't have that shrinkage. It doesn't bother me, but it's definitely a different look. Finally, I have finished twisting all of my hair and it feels so good. I just can't get my hands out of my hair. It feels soft and hydrated, nourished, and all the above. Normally my hair does feel like that, but it's damp, so it's just a different feeling. Now for nighttime, I'm going to put this bonnet on from the Main Choice, and I chose this one because I didn't want to put a scarf on and create an indent like right in the front where the roots are, so I decided to use the Main Choice one because it still pushes my edges back. It keeps it nice and tamed, and also my hair intact while it is in the bonnet. And I was ready for bed. Now fast forward to 2 days later, because the next day I decided to wear my twist out. I just really enjoyed this different look. My hair still felt soft, moisturized, hydrated, and my hair was still elongated, which I really liked. I just really liked this overall look, and my twist didn't have any frizz, which is a plus for me. I can't wait till my hair gets longer because I would definitely do my hair in twist stretched out again and put an elastic on. I think that this look definitely suits me well. Now to unravel the twist, I always work back to front, and I didn't apply any more oil to my hair because I didn't feel it was necessary. Wow, looking at this definition, I'm really happy that I styled my hair this way. It has a more airy look to it. And of course, I'm being very gentle as I'm separating the curls not to cause any unnecessary frizz. And I really like the way my hair felt. I could definitely feel the definition. Just look at this definition. My curls are popping. And here's Rattail Comb. She just can't get enough of mommy. After unraveling all the twists, I really love the way that my hair came out. It has a really nice airy look to it. I also added this oil just to my scalp and massaged it on from Miracle 9. This is their almond mint honey and avocado hair growth oil. As many of you know, I want my hair to grow all the way down to waist length. I am all about healthy hair first, and massaging oils like this on your scalp definitely help with length retention and just healthy hair overall. I did use this pick just to help give me a little bit of volume because I love definition and volume, but overall I really love the way that my hair came out. I love the definition. I loved how soft my hair felt, and currently while I'm doing this voiceover, today is day 5 I believe of this twist out, and my hair still looks good. I still have the definition, I have a lot of volume, and I just overall enjoyed the way that this style came out. I hope you enjoyed my video because I definitely enjoyed this twist out. I really love how the style came out, and because of this I will definitely be doing more styles on stretched hair, maybe a braid out, maybe a flexi rod out, I don't know, but I will definitely be doing more styles while my hair is stretched. Also, let me know what your thoughts are on this twist out and if you styled your hair while it was stretched. And if you enjoyed, please like, comment, and make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!